My name is Cecilia Oguntoye. We are here to install a marquee tent, 600 capacity of a tent, and the area which we are is called Kenera Abuja.
That's the least we shall be. At the heart of the nation, changing history. How can they say that we are finished? We have just begun. When we have nowhere else to run to, we have nowhere else to go. So get out of the way of the land of our dreams. We are the nation, we are part of this. Oh, we are the nation, we are part of this. Whoa, carry the song, carry the sound.
My name is e.t.c, and we're here at Abuja, where we're installing a 20 by 30 marquee tent for a client called Harcourt. The tent has a sitting capacity of 600 people. Basically, we've pretty much done 50% of the job now. We installed the aluminum frames, and currently right now we're installing the PVC ceilings. This is day one of the project, kicked off today with the aluminum frames that have been fully installed already, and we're doing the roof as it is.
How can they say that we are finished? We have just begun. When we have nowhere else to run, nowhere else to run to, nowhere else to go.
Here we stand as a people with one song, with one voice. We're a nation undivided.
I'm Reverend Dr. Paul Alabi Oguntoye of Iliogede Okeogede at Okelere Ogbomoso. Presently, we are at Kenera, where the site of this event is being erected.
I want to say a big thank you to W&E for the work well done. We really appreciate you. You are wonderful people. Continue in doing good works, and the Lord will bless you. And also, you've taken our money, a lot of money. We thank God that the Lord provided, and you have been able to do this. Glory be to you. Your members are very wonderful. And so we thank them for doing a good job. And I want to say that people that will come and see this, maybe some also have plans to do it. You won't hesitate to, lead them to your place and bring you. He said you are wonderful, because whatever question we ask, we do not have answers to some of the questions, but when we ask them, what are you doing, this and this, they are patient enough to tell us everything that they are doing. And this is what we can see. Beautiful, wonderful, is beyond our own imagination. And so we thank the company, and we pray that it will continue to progress more and more, and customers will come to them for all this. Because I know, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time in Abuja that we are seeing all these things here. Sometimes people will go and rent, they will come do it, and then they will take it back for this. And so this is the first time. I know these people will be asking, and will be leading them to do this.
One day we'll shine like the sun. We're a great nation. Though we are many people, different tribes, different tongues, we're united comes to